The SAP Digital Supplier Network is truly a global solution, supporting buyers and suppliers in 190 plus countries, available in many languages, and providing regulatory consistent transactions across many markets. This video will cover the SAP Digital Supplier Network document flow with a complete end-to-end solution demo focusing on the purchase order creation, order confirmation, shipping notices, receiving, and the invoice. POs are created and approved in the ERP system and digitally sent to the supplier automatically. In most cases, the PO will contain key information regarding ship to, line item details, terms and conditions, and maybe even taxes. Buyers can track the status of the purchase order in real time, which will increase the customer's level of confidence. Changes to a PO are no longer lost in communication. Flow on documents such as shipping notices and invoices stay in sync, and we eliminate confusion and any disputes. Most suppliers will elect to set up a free standard account, allowing the ability to receive and confirm POs and easily flip them into invoices. The DSN standard account is completely free and also provides access to an easy-to-use centralized portal. When the supplier receives their first PO via email, they'll be prompted to create an account by processing the PO from the email, where they can register a new account and provide their company information. If the supplier already has an account, the process order button in the email will prompt the supplier to log in. At this point, suppliers can elect to send an order confirmation to inform the customer they have received the order. The supplier has the option to partially confirm or confirm it complete. The order confirmation can provide immediate visibility in supplier order acceptance and promised delivery dates by the created order confirmation. This is critical information for many buyers who rely on suppliers to provide mission-critical materials and services to keep operations and production running. Based on the customer's default transaction rules, suppliers will be notified of any required fields before submitting the order confirmation. Now that the confirmation has been sent, the buyer now has visibility to expected delivery dates, and the supplier can proceed with sending the advanced ship notice and ship the products or services. Shipping notices state which items the supplier is sending and provide shipping information such as the name of the carrier, tracking number, and delivery dates. The buyer's default transaction rules decide whether a ship notice is needed before or after goods can be shipped. Multiple ship notices can be sent for a purchase order. Best practice is to send a shipping notice for each tracking number used. Your customer may also require a ship notice before an invoice can be sent. Additionally, the ship notice can contain additional fields such as serial numbers, asset tags, and other details. Typically, in most cases, the supplier will start preparing their invoice while the buyer completes the goods receipt in their ERP. With PO flip capabilities, the Digital Supplier Network will automatically convert the electronic POs along with pricing terms into an electronic invoice with all the correct details without the need for suppliers to input any pricing information. Buyers can flexibly configure applicable business rules to enable supplier compliance to buyer-preferred processes. Also, if needed, the supplier can download a PDF copy of the invoice and manually send to the buyer. At this point in the process flow, the buyer can process and release the invoice for payment. And while we wrap up, check out some key supplier-related questions. Also, please keep in mind that with quick invoicing processing and data accuracy, we minimize wrong or duplicate payments while improving accounting processes and overall financial visibility. Thank you and good luck with your deployment.